What's good, y'all? Thanks for tuning in to Lady K TV. So today I will be installing this 20-inch wig, lace frontal wig. It's a 13 by 4 by Bellatique. And I will insert a clip of that right here. So next, I'm just going to cut the ear tabs out. We're going to make a ball cap method. We're going to do the ball cap method, excuse me. And we're going to cut the ear tabs out for a seamless look around the edges. And as you know, spray with got to be spray and dry. Spray and dry, spray and dry. Then we're going to cut the edges, cut the excessive cap off. So we're going to use the Gots to Be gel that was just pictured. We're going to use that to just lay the edges down so we can get that real ball cap method looking. Yes, you know, you'll see what the Gots to Be gel does. It just helps lay the frilly down because after you cut it, you still, you know, have a little flyaway. So the Gots to Be gel helps it lay seamlessly. Go ahead and blow dry this when it's done, and then we're going to add some makeup. So before the makeup step, we're going to grab some needle and thread and sew the back down so the cap doesn't rise while you're wearing your wig. Just go ahead and sew it down regularly, right across up into the ear, and cut the excessive cap off. So right here, I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and wipe off all of that gel from off of her forehead so that I can get ready for my makeup application. So then I'm just going to add a matching makeup to her skin tone. And when I'm done adding this, I will wipe her forehead with alcohol to get rid of any oil, dirt, and extra makeup so that the glue can have a better hold. So I will be using Ghost Bond glue for this install. I will insert a picture of it here. So as you can see, as I put on the wig, it's already slit into 3 sections. This is very good for beginners. Also, another thing, I only put glue halfway on the right side of her head. That way I can easily do it in sections and it'll be easier for me. Once I lay this side down, I can then go ahead and lay the other side down. So that is a really good tip for when you're just starting off doing wigs, whether you're doing your own wigs or an install on someone else. Working in sections is the key till you get it packed down. And then you can do the whole head, because then you'll be a G like that. So I like to place it in place to make sure it's all good. Then take my comb and comb it in place, and then hit it with the blow dryer like I did in the last little clip. Now I'm adding glue to the other side, and I'm gonna add 3 layers just like I did on the right side. So I know y'all was like, well, why did those vitamins pop up on the screen? Cause my gut was showing, my shirt rose up, it was rising as I was doing her hair, and I didn't want y'all to see my little gut today. Nah, I'm good. So I decided to insert some little vitamins that will be good for your hair, well, not for your hair, but for your health, for your immune system during this quarantine. Those are basically a survival pack, so not a cure. This is a disclaimer that is not a cure, just a survival pack to help you get rid of all those toxins. Okay, I have now applied 3 layers. I'm gonna go ahead and lay this side in. So I like to lay it down and comb it in with my comb. Go ahead and cut the ear tab off. Make sure it's in place. Spray a little Got2b spray in the corners, because they like to be stubborn. Hit it with the blow dryer, and then you're good to go. Okay, so because this wig is quite dense at the hairline, it was not a pre-plucked wig. I chose to go in here and spend some time on plucking it and thinning the hairline out a bit. So I did pluck for about 20 minutes straight, just to thin it out a bit. Of course, I did edit and speed the video up, so it won't be 20 minutes on here, but it does take time to pluck a wig that's not pre-plucked. So take your time, go in there and pluck it out. So go ahead and go in and cut the lace off. You can use eyebrow razor or scissors. I prefer to use scissors. Use a zigzag motion, as we all know, so you don't have a straight line like you got a line in on your lace. You want it to look as natural as can be. I just like to spray a little bit of Got2b spray just to hold everything down, because I am going to wrap it, and it's just an extra hold. So I went ahead and parted her baby hairs out, and I decided to pluck some more behind the baby hair. It was just still looking a little dense to me, so I went in and plucked some more, and some more, and some more. And then you just pluck the baby hairs out a little bit, hold everything in place with mousse. You can hold the baby hairs out your way with mousse. And before I cut them, I am going to wrap again. So I did zoom in purposely on this part so that you guys could see how natural the hairline is looking. It is looking like scalp in between the baby hair and the hairline of the wig. So right here I'm just taking a hot comb and hot combing everything to the back for a flatter appearance. She does want a little messy wavy ponytail today. No extensions added to the wig. We're just gonna do a natural ponytail with the wig here. That's it. So she looking like that because she like, now you want to put on the cake? Now you want to put it on? But so after you go ahead and get this hair molded into a ponytail, I use my Marcel wands, my Marcel curlers to go ahead and give it a light little wand because we want a messy little curly look. And to mold the ponytail, I use Got to Be spray. Just mold it right in place like you're doing a regular ponytail. Not too much because you don't want it to be hard, but just enough to hold it where it has, so it's smooth looking basically, so it has no crinkles. So that's about it. She's ready to go for Mother's Day. Thank you everybody for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Mwah. I love y'all.
We supposed to be the no stress in the world of stress. No one relaxation in the world of chaos.